The module keyword expansion inside of Power PPC allows you to find lists of keywords and new keyword opportunities. What we recommend doing is going out and going to sources such as Merchant Words, Keyword Inspector, and Google Keyword Planner and finding bulk lists of keywords and search terms that are related to what you are selling. You're then going to take those bulk lists of keywords and search terms and put them into this section over here under the keyword expansion module. This way, we can tell you if those keywords or search terms are brand new or not, if they're being used in any of your campaigns to date. So this way you know that you're testing out brand new keyword opportunities. You're not going to be duplicating and duplicating any keywords across your campaigns. And you're also not going to be using keywords that you already might have optimized out of. So if you did a negative exact or a negative phrase, you're not going to re-add them into your campaigns because you're testing already to see if they're in any of your campaigns using this feature. So this video is all about showing you how to go about the research process, and then I'm going to show you how to use keyword expansion in later videos. So we're going to head on over to Amazon. And if you go to Amazon, we are going to use the keyword nail clippers as an example. So let me go ahead and type in nail clippers. And if you do that, you're going to see a bunch of results here. And the sponsored products results are typically going to be towards the top and along the right-hand column over here. For this demonstration, we're going to use the best organic product that we see that has the most amount of reviews. So this particular one is Amazon's Choice by Tweezerman. It's got over 1,100 reviews, and we want to grab the keywords and search terms related to this particular product. And we're going to do that by clicking on the particular product, and we're going to go down to the ASIN and grab the ASIN. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and put that into Keyword Inspector and do a reverse ASIN search right over here. And then click on Start Reverse ASIN Search. Now I did that one already, and it came up over here. It's over here under the Reverse ASIN History. I'm going to download that to a CSV, and we're going to open this up. Now, as you can see, we have a bunch of keywords over here. There's going to be quite a few of them. And yeah, we have a total of 835 keywords that we're going to search. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that list, and we're going to go back to Entourage, and we're going to place them in this section right over here. And in the next video, I'm going to show you what to do with that. Now, keep in mind, what we recommend doing is spending 1 hour per week doing what I just did through various strategies of finding keywords. So you can go ahead and go to Google Keyword Planner, you can go to Merchant Words, you can do reverse ASIN searches on Keyword Inspector, you can use Sonar. Whatever you can do, spend about an hour per week finding new keyword opportunities that are related to your audience or related to your product, and really try to test out. We recommend not going too wide, right? So if you're selling nail clippers and you want to look into products like nail files, because that's related to the audience of people who might be looking for nail clippers, and type in nail files and find the best product related to nail files and do the exact same process. The point is, you want to spend about 1 hour per week researching new opportunities, and it's very important to balance that out with about 1 hour per week of campaign optimization. Because obviously, if you're researching new opportunities and you're getting many keywords out there, your ad spend might start to creep up, so you want to make sure that you're optimizing while you're expanding. The next video is going to show you how to create this campaign and how to use keyword expansion.